Alright, August 17th, and we have a cool down of our Friday cook. We got pulled porks here, beautiful color. These were all smoke salted yesterday and they were put in this morning. I'm just going to spray them down a little bit with a mist. These are ready to be protected. And wrapped, saran and foiled. Texas clutch. For tendering off, I call it. These are our briskets. Got a few briskets here. These are going to be staying on. This started out at noontime. We're about 7 o'clock. This is August 17th. Boy, some beautiful color. Smoke. These are IBPs. Turn them over a little bit. Nice. Nice oak fire. I'm going to be pulling these butts. Add some mesquite. Keep that moisture going so that smoke will stick. Beautiful. Getting there. I'm going to check the internals. You want some firmness, that way you know the temperature's penetrated. I pull them at about 170. Nice. Yeah, a little bit further to go. Another hour, I'll pull them. Nice, light, beautiful smoke. It's about 150. We have an oven temperature or just around 200. Just put a stick on there. Dry oak. Have a nice cold bed. Now I open this up, the oxygen moves in. I don't want it to get overheated. And I have her opened up. Alright. Thanks for watching.